Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. Here's a hand stretching warm-up routine that you'll find incredibly valuable. Let's do this. Many people accept that warming up and stretching are an integral part of any exercise routine, but many music students don't seem to realize the value of having this as a part of their normal practice routine. Studies have shown that warming up and stretching will increase your flexibility and range of motion. It improves your circulation. It can enhance your coordination and reduce pain and stiffness. I'm going to guide you through a routine that I'd encourage you to make a regular part of your practice sessions. Before we get started, there are 3 principles to keep in mind. Number 1, focus on a pain-free stretch. It's okay to feel a little discomfort, but if you feel pain, you've gone too far. Number 2, slow, controlled movements. No bouncing or jerky motions. And number 3, relax and breathe. Let's start with a massage of the forearm and fingers to warm up the muscles. Go ahead and put out your right arm, turn it up, and let's massage the forearm. Now, when you get up to the middle here, start pushing your forearm down. That feels good. Okay, let's move over to the left arm now. Put it out and thumb squeeze down. Oh, I did that. Yes. One more here. Now let's move on to the fingers. Back to the right hand. And we'll start with the first index finger. Just give it a good squeeze. Move on. Here we go. Ring finger. And pinky. My pinky's a little bit damaged, but it still works. Okay. Now let's get that thumb too. Okay. Now what I want to do is massage the pad of the thumb. That's where it often needs a little help. Let's move to the left hand now. We'll start with the index finger. Okay. Next, moving on. Pinky. And let's get that pad of the thumb. Yes. Yes, feels good. Next, stretch both arms. Close your hands just loosely. Now you're going to press your thumb over your index finger and pull it in. It's a light stretch, an easy stretch. Next finger. Oh, cracked a little. Next finger and pinky. And we'll do it one more time. Index. There we go. And then down the pinky. Excellent. Now with your right arm extended, grab your thumb with your left arm and hook your thumb on your arm, your right arm, and pull. Again, discomfort's okay, no pain. Okay, let's move on to the left arm. Grab the thumb and pull. Do it again. Right arm, pull. And left arm, pull. Feel the muscles stretching? The hands have muscles, the fingers have tendons. Let's go on and stretch the wrist. Grab your right hand with your left hand and turn it towards you. Now, come around and press your hand in this way. Feel the stretch? I first learned this in judo class many years ago. And actually it's a great stretch for the wrist. Next, the left hand, we're going to grab it with the right hand, turn the hand around and bend it in away from my body. And repeat one more time. Left hand over the right hand, twist and down, away from the body. And left hand out, grab with the right hand, twist down and out. Yes. Check it out a second. Now, we're upping things a little bit. Put your 2 hands together in front of your chest and press down slowly and evenly and stretch the fingers. Your palms will come apart a little bit. Up and do it again. Go ahead. Come on, you got this. Do it with me. That's 2. We're going to do 5. 3, 4, slow and even. And 5. Go only down as far as you can go without feeling pain. Now, point your hands out and pull in. This is different. You're stretching the wrist now. 3, 4, and 5. Good, good. Let's do it again. Going down. 1, 2, 3. I'm slowing down a little. A little more stretch. 4. Okay. I'm feeling it. 5. You feeling it? Okay, and one more. Going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Now put your right hand out in front of your face, kind of like talk to the hand. Grab with your left hand and pull towards your body. You're stretching all the fingers at the same time. I'm counting to 10. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do the other hand. Left hand out, right hand over the fingers and pull in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good for that one. Shake it out again. Okay, we're gonna do something similar. Put your right hand out, but now grab one finger. Start with the index finger and pull it in. And while you do that, wiggle the other fingers. 5, I'm counting to 5. Next finger, wiggle. I forgot there for a minute. And the baby finger, a little hard for me, but we got this. Yeah, no problem. What do you think? Can we do the thumb? Yeah, it's okay. Now, left hand, same thing. Start with the index finger, pull back. I'm counting to 5 and wiggle the fingers. 3, 4, 5. Let go. Next finger. See, I'm going slow. I'm not yanking it back. 4, 5. Next finger. Very good. Yes, wiggle. And the pinky. Oh, that one's a hard one. And let's try that thumb too. Let's see, I got it this way. There we go. That was fun. We want to stretch between the fingers now. Right hand out again. And we're going to press the fingers apart. I'm doing the index finger first. 3, 4, 5. Next finger, set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between the pinky. Again, this is a little hard for me. 4, 5. Now put the left hand out. Let's do the same thing. Between the index finger. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5. My counting's getting a little rush there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it one more time. That's a good one, okay? Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally, the pinky. 3, 4, 5. Now, put your arms up, parallel to your body, elbows bent, clasp your hands, and we'll do some figure eights. Doesn't matter which way you start. We're going to go the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, even I have to slow down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite way. 1, 2. Is that the other? Yes, that's right. 3, 4, 5. I get a little confused sometimes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're on the way home. Let's start off with some finger pinches. I'll start with the right hand, thumb, pinch it. Index finger, just the tips. Give it a good pinch. Proving that circulation. Moving on. And we gotta get the pinky too. Yes, of course. And then the left hand. Start with the thumb, index finger. Almost there. One more. Pinky's the last one. Pinch. And you made it. Shake it out. Now, you're done. The next thing to go is grab your guitar and start with a good warm-up exercise on your guitar. Something like the Finger Developer #2 if you're a Real Guitar Success member. Congratulations. My hope for you is that not only did you enjoy this, but that you use it every day as you practice your guitar. If you'd like to learn more, come join me over at Real Guitar Success. It's at realguitarsuccess.com, and I'll get you a 14-day free trial, absolutely free and complete access to all the lessons. See you later.